Dude, I was beyond, like, I am beyond ranting also now. मतलब क्या ही बोलने का.
You are zen.
I will not rant. I am not a ranty person anymore.
Hey,
I am soft spoken, nice United fan with no problems, no aggression. United tomorrow, I would be happy with a draw if I'm being very honest. Take nice sasta 0-0 1-1 draw. Obviously, I would be very happy with the win, but being realistic, I think the way we approach the match, we're going to park the bus and counter attack. And for that, you need to not have Ronaldo from the start. I would say bring him on for the last 30 minutes.
Manchester United versus Manchester City. United at home.
I'm using last week's tactics. City captain.
I'm doing United wager.
Oh ho.
50
Kitna?
points.
50 wager. Oh my god.
Fuck it, dude. 100 points. Chal.
Oh ho.
City 3-2 scoreline on this.
The next day.
अक्षय सिंह says क्या करूं इस क्लब का, मैं इतना टाइम से फॉलो जो करता हूं अब अचानक से अनफॉलो भी नहीं कर सकता. ओले मत हग फर्गी की लेगेसी पे. गुनवीर says United with one shot more on target on their own goal than City's goal.
Yeah.
Now has to defend against 20 players against 10.
Tell me, Azim, so where do you think the blame lay? With the players, with the formation, with the technical coach, with the coach?
So I think
with the manager?
it starts with the coaches for me, because you cannot take a team which, like, you can say a team on paper and team in practice, but this team which is this good on paper and this team which was mostly the bones of what came second last year and played reasonably good football. You cannot suddenly take this team, and the reason they played good football, and I've spoken about this last time as well, is that because last season there were no fans in the stadiums, and Ole could just sit back in every game and do whatever the fuck he wanted. They could go in away games where teams over there also would be like, fuck it, we don't have to sit back or whatever, we don't have to show them any respect, we're just going to play our game. And he kept doing that and kept winning. That's why we had that amazing away record, right? This season he was like, chalo abhi fans aa gaya, pressure aa gaya, front foot pe khelenge. But front foot pe khelne ke liye either you don't have the players who are equipped to do that job, or you are not coaching them effectively. If they don't know how to do all this stuff, then you haven't been coaching them the right way. If you don't know how to press the ball, if you do not know how to remain compact in defense, if you don't know how to maintain basic shape, dude, there were times in that United City game where you could not tell what formation United were playing. The problem, honestly, in this game was that he has done this same kind of system against Pep 3-4 times before and got the better of him. Pep abhi sikh gaya, and he was like ki, because it's Guardiola. It's not, you're not playing against fucking Steve Bruce who'll be like, okay, I guess we're gonna lose, fuck it. Dude, I was beyond, like, I am beyond ranting also now. मतलब क्या ही बोलने का.
You are zen.
I will not rant. I am not a ranty person anymore. I am soft-spoken, nice United fan with no problems, no aggression.
And all of this all boils down to the fact that all of our wide players, all four of our key wide players, which is Rashford, Greenwood, Wan-Bissaka, Luke Shaw, चारों का IQ fucking 20 है. They have zero footballing intelligence. Like, कुछ नहीं आता है. One-on-one defending very good. Pass cross करेगा, मटके से पहुंच जाता है. But कितना severe lack of दिमाग है वो चारों में, dude.
I am soft-spoken, nice United fan.
And what is Bruno going to do pressing alone also? And I like pressing defensively, sure, but offensive press, who does he have alone? He's got Ronaldo, who's not going to press, Greenwood, who fucking doesn't know how to press. And how is this an excuse that you don't know how to press? Matlab, you are an elite fucking footballer playing for amongst, like, literally the top 5 clubs in the world.
Where is this excuse?
No, people have been saying in the analysis that people are like, okay, maybe Greenwood does not know how to press. Then fucking teach him, dude. He's literally school going age, college का, he's literally college age. उसका उम्र पे लोग ऐसा trigonometry, fucking organic chemistry सीख रहा है और वो pressing का एक direction नहीं सीख सकता है. मतलब कितना low IQ है बंदे का.
With no problems, no aggression.
पहले तो filled with completely low IQ players. Is fucking Wan-Bissaka, Luke Shaw, कुछ दिमाग नहीं. Dude, Greenwood is so dumb that Luke Shaw shouts at him for being dumb. That's how dumb he is. We have conceded that same goal at least 5 times this season. Same goal. I'm not even kidding. It's just one guy pressing, not knowing what he's doing, and 5 other idiots thinking that they have to go and fill up the space. Now, either this is complete lack of IQ, or even worse, that they are being told to do this.
Specifically.
They are being coached to not know how to press.
This is what a school team used to do ना कि जिसके पास भी ball है
Because they are playing like जैसा जुहू कोलीवाड़ा पे पब्लिक खेलता है ना 15 on 15 मैच में वैसा खेल रहे हैं वो लोग. एंड वैंडबिक को लाओ ना बेचारा, वो आया है प्रेसिंग पासिंग सिस्टम से, तो एक ही तो बंदा है जिसको आता है कैसा करने का ये सब, उसको ही नहीं खिला रहा है. सो फकिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग.
Here's the thing, okay? Mason Greenwood doesn't know how to press. Like, a counter to that is Conte at Inter Milan.
Yeah.
Okay, that team didn't know how to forget press. They didn't know how to press, fold, keep in the cupboard. Nothing they knew. He has come there, and within a season, Barella is the best player in the world.
Yeah.
Like within a season.
Just signed a contract also, na? New contract.
Yeah, and he's genuinely improved. Like
Yeah. Barella's great pasta.
it takes a coach to kind of like, if you know that you have to get a press out of somebody and it's not Ronaldo.
Yeah, but see, that's
then
the
you
thing.
make
That
him do it.
Conte is a coach. Ole is a. The people who are actually doing the coaching are these fucking Mike Phelan, fucking Michael Carrick, fucking Kieran McKenna. Kieran McKenna still, I believe, has some
And who's
caliber.
that Phil Neville lookalike dude?
That's
in your
Kieran
coaching
McKenna.
staff? Oh, okay. Huh.
Just we need to get all these reminders, all this fucking British coaching mediocrity needs to fucking go, dude. And this is the same thing. I actually read about this as well, and it's not a coincidence that Mourinho's decline at United also started when his second in command Rui Faria left to get his own job. The same thing happened against with Alex Ferguson as well when Carlos Queiroz left, and then he got fucking Mike Phelan in. So it's not a coincidence that you keep trusting these fucking British coaches who have, and chalo, you get experienced British coaches, I understand, but you get Michael Carrick fucking first job, Kieran McKenna fucking first job, Darren Fletcher first job. How the fuck are you expecting these like debutants to sit and become world beaters overnight and know amazing tactics that will outfox fucking Guardiola and Klopp? What's wrong with you? But that is my rant.
Basically, every match of Manchester United should end with directed by Priyadarshan.
Yeah. It's just chaos at the end.
Comedy. Just physical comedy.
Jorginho is better
Then
Bruno Fernandes.
ये मैं बाबा को निकाल रहा है यार ये स्क्रीन से. Please get out, बाबा. Please, you are punished for.
क्या
Please,
कुछ भी आज बाबा what?
you are punished, बाबा. You will not be on screen for 1 minute.
I think so because
Unbelievable.